Assalamu alaikum dear students. As you know, we are continuing the topic of development and structure of seed. So, describing the structure of seed, the first question on this page is define hypocoel. The embryonic stem below the point of attachment is called hypocoel. What is endosperm tissue? In angiosperms, the stored food is derived from the endosperm tissue. This tissue is rich in oil or starch and protein. In many seeds, the food of endosperm is absorbed and stored by cotyledons. The definition of hypocoel and the endosperm tissue both may be asked in the form of MCQs as well. Define seed germination is the first question on this page. Seed germination is a process by which a seed embryo develops into a seedling. Write the process of seed germination. The answer of this question is there. Next question is write the types of germination. On the basis of elongation of hypocoel and epicoel, there are two types of germination. First is apigeal germination and the second is hypogeal germination. Moving towards the important MCQs. Root is the first structure that emerges from the radicle present in seed. Beans, cotton and papaya are the examples of seed germination, that is apigeal germination. The last MCQ on this page is the epicoel elongates and forms the hook in hypogeal germination. Pea, maize and coconut germinate by hypogeal germination. This page contains an important short question, that is define dormancy. The answer to this question is most seeds go through a period during which there is no growth. This period is called dormancy of the seed. Dormant seeds are ripe seeds but don't germinate. Under favorable conditions, the seeds break dormancy and begin to germinate. This is the definition of dormancy. Students, our next topic is very important long question. Write the conditions for seed germination. There are two major conditions, internal and external conditions. Question number 1 on this page is what are the internal conditions for seed germination? The internal conditions include a live embryo and sufficient food storage, while the external condition include water, oxygen and favorable temperatures. The important MCQ on this page include oxygen is the external condition for seed germination, not internal. Likewise, the oxygen is essential for respiration in the cells of embryo. The last MCQ on this page is the optimum temperature for the germination of seeds of most plants ranges from 25 to 30 degrees C. This page contains an important MCQs, that is germination of seeds of many plants is also favored by light. In others, germination is retarded by light. Students, our next topic is sexual reproduction in animals. It is very important long question. The sexual reproduction is based on the formation and the fusion of male and female gametes. It is very important MCQ. Next topic is formation of gametes under discussion. Define gametogenesis is the first question over here. The formation of gametes is called gametogenesis. In this process, diploid 2 and gamete mother cells undergo meiosis and form haploid 1 and gamete. What are male and female gonads called? Male gonads are called testes while female gonads are called ovaries. This may be asked in the form of MCQs, and the MCQ may be asked from the production of sperm in testes is called spermatogenesis, and the production of egg cells in ovaries is called oogenesis. These are the definitions of spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Students, we will discuss the spermatogenesis and oogenesis in the next video inshallah. Okay, thank you very much.